Good evening, Rye Guy here. I was prepping my Grizzly here. This is a 2019 Grizzly EPS 700. Prepping my Grizzly here to do some maintenance to it, oil change, diff oil change, that kind of thing. So I dropped all my skid plates off. I just have the stock HDPE plastic, high-density polyethylene plastic skid plates and A-arm guards. There's the front bash plate. I actually like plastic better than I like aluminum. Aluminum tends to stick on rocks, whereas plastic just kind of glides over them. Anyway, not the point of the video. Point of the video is, if you're doing your routine maintenance, underneath of no matter what you have, if it is liquid cooled, let me get the light over here. If it is liquid cooled, that's too much light. Let's try not to blind everybody here. Okay. What you're looking at right here, this line going into the bottom of, if I can find it here in the camera, into the bottom of the water pump. There it is. Into the bottom of the water pump. What that line is called a weep line. This is a weep hole. The purpose of this very, very important little piece of rubber is to prevent the coolant from entering your crankcase in the event of a mechanical seal failure on your water pump. Between the water pump here and your engine case, of course, you have a shaft from your engine case that comes out through your water pump. Well, what prevents the coolant from going inside? There's something called a mechanical seal. And the mechanical seal's sole purpose is to separate your oil from your coolant. Now, in between there, you have a small little chamber that, if you remove your water pump, you'll see a hole that goes through your center of the shaft, and then it goes into a small little empty cavity, an empty chamber, where this weep hole is. In the event of a mechanical seal failure, this hose is going to do one of two things: leak engine oil or leak coolant. If this hose is blocked because of ice, as you can see, there's ice and there's all kinds of other fun things to be had down here, ice, dirt, mud, sticks, stones. If that is plugged and you have a mechanical seal failure, it will pressurize that chamber and push your coolant into your crankcase. So while you are doing your routine maintenance, I no way I'm going to be doing this one-handed here. Maybe. Or maybe not. Oh, jeez. No, I need to get a tool on there. Anyway, take that hose off and blow it out with compressed air, because you do not want that hose to be blocked for any reason. This should be part of your routine maintenance, and it is not covered in any of your operator's manual for your machine, no matter what machine you have. If it's liquid cooled and has a water pump, you have one of these. Same goes for vehicles. If you've ever noticed the water pump has gone in your vehicle, it tends to leak from the front of the water pump. That is because it has a weep hole. If it was blocked, and less chance of a vehicle one being blocked, it will push coolant inside of your crankcase. So anyway, I hope that little tip you guys take to heart. Not much of a video here, but it is a very important little subject that I feel not a lot of people know about. So anyway, appreciate your likes, your comments, your views, and hopefully somebody gets some information and saves their bike. Okay, Raw Guy out. We'll see you on the next run.